today, we're diving into the past to explore a true classic, the 1975 Honda Dax ST50. Specifically, we're taking a closer look at the 4-speed manual clutch version. Buckle up, because this tiny titan has a lot to offer. The Honda Dax ST50, with its compact frame and distinctive design, embodies the essence of cool. Introduced in 1975, this mini bike was a part of Honda's lineup that captured hearts with its unique styling and versatile performance. The 4-speed manual clutch variant adds an extra layer of excitement to the riding experience. Under the hood, or in this case under the seat, the Dax ST50 packs a punch. The 4-speed manual clutch gives riders more control over their gear shifts, providing a hands-on, engaging ride. The engine, known for its reliability, delivers a surprising amount of power for a bike of its size, making it a joy to navigate through city streets and country roads alike. What makes the 1975 Dax ST50 truly stand out are its iconic features, while the chunky tires and sturdy suspension contribute to a smooth and stable ride. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality. For collectors and vintage bike enthusiasts, the 1975 Honda Dax ST50 is a sought-after gem. Its rarity, coupled with the enduring popularity of Honda's mini bikes, makes it a valuable addition to any collection. Plus, its timeless design ensures that it turns heads wherever it goes. In conclusion, the 1975 Honda Dax ST50 4-speed manual clutch version is a testament to Honda's legacy of creating iconic and memorable rides. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a collector with an eye for the classics, this mini bike offers a unique and exhilarating journey back in time. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep the rubber side down and ride on. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more motorcycle adventures. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences with the Honda Dax ST50 in the comments below. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!